Hello guys and welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. I've come across many individuals who work online and struggle to make ends meet on a weekly basis. Perhaps you're also facing this issue. However, there is a solution to earn a significant amount of money online with minimal effort. It's a revolutionary approach that can change the game for you. By watching the complete video, I assure you that you'll achieve a level of financial independence beyond your previous experience. This method is accessible to individuals worldwide, and it's completely free. If you're looking to transform your life positively, then listen carefully to everything I share in the video. This way, you'll be able to perform the task correctly and avoid the common errors people make. There is one crucial thing to keep in mind. It's the most significant factor. I urge you to watch the entire video from start to finish. Furthermore, it's essential not to skip any parts since you may miss out on critical detail. Even the slightest mistake or omission could result in you earning no money at all, and we certainly don't want that. I guarantee that this approach will not cost you anything. It's entirely free, and you won't have to invest any time or money. All you have to do is sit back and watch the money flow into your bank account. I can assure you that you learn a substantial amount by following this method. However, it's crucial that you stay with me throughout the entire video. My goal is for you to learn something valuable by the end of the video, and I don't want your time to go to waste. Therefore, it's imperative to pay close attention to every single detail for this method to be effective. To begin earning profits online, you have the potential to make hundreds of thousands of dollars every month, year-round, using the software I'll be introducing to you today. Our focus will be on a particular niche, that's so intriguing that many people are keenly interested in it. The good news is that this goal is entirely achievable. If you continue to watch the video and stay with me, I guarantee that you'll be able to achieve this goal with minimal difficulty. So grab some popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the video. The website I'm referring to is called useproof.com, which is trusted by many of the world's largest companies and over 25,000 online businesses to convert visitors into leads. Our primary objective is to earn money in the easiest and fastest way possible, not to sell any product. You don't need any unique skills or superpowers to accomplish this, and you can earn money with just one click. Our strategy involves partnering with Proof to achieve our goal. To achieve this, you'll need to follow 3 simple steps. The first step is to enroll in the program, which involves signing up and obtaining your referral link. The second step is to share the link on your social media accounts and inform others about it. However, for this specific method outlined in the video, we won't be required to use social media to share our link. Instead, I'll show you another way to generate free traffic. The third step is simply to get paid, which involves receiving 30% of every sale made. Just a quick reminder about the payment. You'll receive it at the end of the month. However, since this is a passive earning method, you don't have to worry about anything. So let's proceed with signing up. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the page, locate the company category, and click on Partners just below it. From there, click on Join Now, and you're good to go. After registering, fill in all the required information, such as your first and last name. Once you've completed the registration process, open a new tab and navigate to google.com. This is where we'll obtain our free traffic. While Google may be just a search engine, this is where the magic happens. Type online cooking courses in the search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the third page or above. We're avoiding the websites or results on the first 2 pages because they are usually well known, resulting in more competition for you. You can search for any type of online classes, not just cooking courses. You can also search for other online courses that teach skills such as fitness, marketing, singing, and more. The potential is limitless. However, for this example, we'll focus on cooking courses. Simply click on any of the websites that offer cooking courses online. To start, locate the contact email on the cooking course website, usually found at the bottom of the page. After finding it, send an email to the contact person recommending Proof to them. This will prompt them to visit the Proof website, where they can watch a demo and sign up for a free trial. If they become interested, they can choose from a variety of packages to suit their needs. To earn more money, you can contact multiple websites from Google's search results and recommend proof to them. Once they purchase a package, you will earn a 30% commission from it. Since there are numerous websites on Google, you can contact all of them and generate passive income.